class image models dot model name equal models dot char field max length equal 50 image equal models dot image field blank equal true upload to image. Now we need to make migration py manage dot py make migration. So the model image created, so the model is created and then migrate py manage dot py migrate. Now we need to run server py manage dot py run server and redirecting to admin page. Now we need to create account py manage dot py create super user. Username we need okay blank. Email address you can give any email. Password you can give s. Now run server redirecting to admin page. And now we create account is created. Now we need to register to admin. So let's import it from dot model import image admin dot site dot register the image class images. We need to add one more functionality. So in models function now we can add some images tulips and choose file. Before that we need to set up something. So in settings media underscore root equal base directory slash uploads, so which is the folder. So in this folder the images will upload to there will be folder called img into that folder. So this is the base directory. Choose file and save it. And function for view, so function view request data equal image. So now we need to import model from dot models import image. Now data equal image dot objects dot r context equal data. Now return render request and template name index.html. In context comma context. So this is the function for view. We need to assign path. Now in urls.py views.view we assign the path the url patterns. So there is a folder called upload and now you can see the images. Now run server. So this is the index page and the image is broken, so there is one more setup. So in settings.py media root underscore url equal slash media slash in html using for x in my data index.html. I'm using for loop for x in data, so x dot image and x dot name. And there is one more setup plus static in URLs in project files dot URL. You need to import some configuration from django.conf.urls.static import static from django.conf.import settings static settings dot media underscore URL comma document underscore root equal settings dot media root media underscore root. So this is the direct we already provide the directory. So in index.html in image source in image tab x.image.url, so it will read all the images. Now we can add some more files and save it.